Good morning, dear students of St. Andrew's School. I hope you are staying at home and staying safe. Today we will study maths. So let us begin our study. This is chapter 4, numbers up to 100. And first question is fill in the blanks numbers from 201 to 300. Okay, and this is page number 43. Okay, numbers from 201 to 300. So 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209 and 210 and so on. Okay, so you will fill rest of all blanks yourself. Okay, got it. Now we move on second question, and numbers from 301 to 400. 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309, 310 and so on. You can fill it very easily, so you will fill yourself. Now we move on next question. Question number 3, numbers from 401 to 500. 401, 402, 403, 404, 405, 406, 407, 408, 409, 410 and so on. So you can fill it, okay, very easily. So you will fill rest of all blanks yourself. Next question is fourth, numbers from 500 to 600. 501, 502, 503, 504, 505, 506, 507, 508, 509, 510, okay, and so on. It is very easy to fill it, so you will fill yourself. Next question is numbers from 600 to 700. Sorry, numbers from 601 to 700. You can do it yourself. Question number 6, numbers from 700 to 800. You can do it and you can fill it very easily, so you will fill yourself. And 7 numbers from 801 to 900. You can fill it very easily, so you will fill yourself. And question number 8, numbers from 901 to 1000. 901, 902, 903, 904, 905, 906, 907, 908, 909 and 910 and so on. So children, you can fill it very easily, so you will fill rest of all blanks yourself. Okay, now we move on next page. This is page number 47. Okay, assess yourself. Write the numbers name for each of the following. 205. Okay, 200, we will write 205 as, okay, and 951, so we will write 951 as 951. Okay, so you will solve, or you will write rest of all numbers yourself, like first and second question. Second question is write the number for each of the following. 645, we will write it as, okay, 6 4 and then 5. 445, we will write 445 as 445. Okay, so you will write rest of all numbers yourself. Third question is write the following numbers in expanded form. Okay, first question is 397, so we will write it 300 plus 9 tenths plus 7 months. Okay, then we will write it as 300 plus 90 plus 7. Second question is 508, so we will write it as 500 plus 0 tenths plus 8 ones. Okay, and we will write it as 500 plus 00 plus 8. Okay, so childrens, you will write expanded form of rest of all numbers yourself. Now we move on next page. This is page number 48. Fourth question is, write the corresponding number 500 plus 3 tens plus 7 ones. So we will write it as 537. Okay, so you will solve the rest of all questions yourself. Okay, and question number 5, write the numbers so on each abacus. Okay, and when we will solve first question, we will see it 1's rod has 4 beats, so we will write 4, and 10's rod has 6 beats, so we will write 6. 8 tens place, and 100's rod has 5 beats, so we will write 5 is at hundreds place. Okay, so finally we will find number 564. Second question is, 1's rod has 3 beats, so we will write 3 at 1's place, and 10's rod has 7 beats, so we will write 7. 8 at 10's place, and 100's rod has 6 beats, so we will write 6 is at hundreds place. Okay, so finally we find number 673. So children, you will solve rest of all questions yourself. Now we move on, assess yourself. First question, fill in the blanks. In 754, 4 is at 1's place. Okay, and in 565, 5 is at 100's place. Okay, then in 823, 2 is at 10's place. Okay, so children's, you can write, and you can fill rest of all blanks yourself, because it is very easy to fill. Now we move on second question. This is fill in the blanks. In 456, the place value of 6 is 6. Okay, it is also very easy, so you can do it yourself. So you will do. Okay, now we move on page number 50. Assess yourself. Ring the greater number. 452 and 453. 453 is greater number, so we will ring this number. Okay, second question is, and second number is 893 and 983. Which one is greater number? 983 is greater number compared to 893, so we will ring 983. Here 983 is greater number compared to 893. Okay, got it children? So we will ring 983. Second question is, ring the smaller number. 575 is a smaller number compared to 653, so we will ring 575. Second question is 756 and 757, and we know it very well. 756 is a smaller number compared to 757, so we will ring 77. 756. Okay, here 756 is a smaller number compared to 757. So childrens, you will solve rest of all questions yourself. Okay, question 3, cross the greatest number. Okay, here 742 is the greatest number compared to others number, so we will cross 742. Second question, in second question number is given, number are given 491, 293, 319 and 713. These number are given. Okay, and 730 713 is the greatest number. Okay, so we will cross 713. Okay, and you will cross yourself 713. Okay, got it children? Okay, so we will cross 713. So children, you will solve rest of all questions yourself. Question number 4, cross the smallest number. In first question, 134 is the smallest number compared to others number, so we will cross 134. In second question, 629, 562 and 369 and 926. Which one is the smallest number? Think about it. Right answer is 369 is the smallest number, so we will cross 369. Okay, got it? So children, you will solve rest of all questions yourself, like this question. Now we move on page number 52. First question is, arrange the following in increasing order. When we will arrange given numbers in increasing order, then we get 279, then 367, then 407, then 587. Okay, so children, you will arrange rest of all numbers yourself. Okay, now we move on. Second question, arrange the following in decreasing order. And when we will arrange given numbers in decreasing order, then we get 395, then 411, then 501, then 552. Okay, so children, you will arrange rest of all numbers in decreasing order yourself. Okay, now we move on next exercise, mental maths question. Okay, this is next exercise. Children, this is revision exercise, so you can do it very easily. So you will solve this exercise yourself and complete your work in your fair copy of maths, then click the photo and send it in group. Thank you and have a nice day.